open three. If they don't get it, it's over, and it's over. Newton is dunked. And for the first time since 2008, the New England Patriots will not be in the playoffs.
No, we have to take COVID into consideration and things of that nature. The man threw for 8 touchdowns and 10 interceptions in 15 games. In 15 games. That's putrid.
Cam Newton has been cut by the New England Patriots.
Whoa.
Cam Newton cut by the New England Patriots. Adam Schefter just tweeted that.
With the 15th pick in the 2021 NFL Draft, the 6-time world champion New England Patriots select Mac Jones.
There may not be anyone in sports who has had a better year than Mac Jones. I want you to consider this. A year ago today, he wasn't universally expected to be the starting quarterback at Alabama. When he was named on September 21st ahead of 5-star recruit Bryce Young, Jones was described by Sportscasting.com as a potential late-round NFL draft pick and, quote, even that is no guarantee. Which makes sense. He had arrived in Tuscaloosa with very little fanfare. He wasn't even ranked in the ESPN 300. And then he sat behind Jalen Hurts in 2017 and Tua in 18 and most of 19. Bryce Young was supposed to be the next great one. Mac Jones sort of had the feel of a bridge quarterback, if such a thing is even possible in college. And then you know what happened next. He threw for more yards than any Alabama quarterback ever. He had the highest completion percentage and QBR in college history, and he won the national championship. Then he's drafted 15 by New England and beats out, ironically, Auburn's legendary Cam Newton.
And there ain't nothing you can do about it. America's sports fans is back. It's not here, right? It just might be.
It's about to be 2020, like, I had some goals. They put on the flashes, my number shine. Made 10 racks and I spent it a day. Bad issue.
Do that. Touchdown. A strike to board.
Thought we were forever.
Keeps going.
Till I just lie in my face. Never say never, but my heart is severed. I don't think I ever want to see you again. I gave you trust and you gave me lust. I guess I deserve it from friend. I can look in your eyes and see when you're lying. So how you can look at me trying to pretend that we were forever, but you know you're clever. Say you much with him right now.
This one is too high and picked off.
I don't think I ever want to see you again. I gave you trust and you gave me lust. I guess I deserve it. I can look in your eyes and see when you're lying. So how you gon' look at me trying to pretend I've been running from demons, so gotta get high. I smoke me a blunt to reset my mind. I smoke to their face cause I'm getting paid regardless of. I think I just been on my mind. She know me shy, she better when I'm on the drugs. I ain't seen my mama yet, it's been a minute. I feel like maybe I'm missing all the love. I had to move out my hometown. Now I got money now. Ain't no way but she goes down. And people surprised I'm profound. Love with me, VIP. I'm in the back of the club with the ice. Diamonds on me, I'm really shining. Tell me why. My wife, she know I'm a star. Shorty is stand. I pause any bar and fly to Japan. It's under my pants, stun on your man. I feel like I'm Tekka, I'm flying to France. Oh yeah, yeah. It's time to see. Hey, thought we were forever, but you know you're clever, so you like just lie in my face. Never say never, but my heart is severed. I don't think I ever want to see you again. I gave you trust and you gave me lust. I guess I deserve it. I can look in your eyes and see when you're lying. So how you gon' look at me trying to pretend that we were forever, but you know you're clever, so you like just lie in my face. Never say never, but my heart is severed. I don't think I ever want to see you again. I gave you trust and you gave me lust. I guess I deserve it. I can look in your eyes and see when you're lying. So how you gon' look at me trying to pretend?